what is the tool to write and execute 8086 microprocessor programs? The tool what we are going to use is masm tool. This masm tool, in default it will work with Windows XP, but we are all using advanced versions of Windows like Windows 7, Windows 10. Today we will see how to install this masm tool and a dosbox tool in any operating system and execute programs. We can write and execute programs. This is an open source tool where we can download from the internet and then we can install in our PC and start writing the program and execute. No need for any sort of licenses to use this particular masm tool. Okay, let us start to see how to install and write the programs and execute it. Now you can just go to the internet, Google, and then search for masm for Windows 7, Windows 10 and download. Okay, otherwise I will be giving you in Google Drive these two files. One file is a folder file, the other one is a dosbox file. Folder file name is 8086 file. Inside this file you will be having all sort of files, application and DOS application files. Okay, you need to copy this and then copy the folder and then paste it this file and then paste in C drive. Let us first do that task. Just don't do anything. Copy, go to the C drive, and then just paste it. Now we have pasted. We need to view. See, it is there in the year 8086 folder. Okay, you can view, we can sort and then view it. 8086. Okay, folder has come here. Now close this window. Again go to the same folder. So we have a dosbox installer. Just it is a .exe file. So it is very simple to install. Double click and give S. Okay, and give next. You need here, if it is not there tick mark, you put a tick mark so that you will be having a desktop icon. Next, install in the C drive. In default it will go to the C drive only. Don't do any changes. Install. Once the installation complete, it will complete within some seconds, microseconds. It will get complete. Once it is completed, you will be seeing here completed. Once this is done, just close this window and close all other windows. Now once we do that, you will be getting a icon like dosbox icon. You can see here. I'll take this icon here and keep it here for just convenience purpose. Now here this is the dosbox. Okay, before going into the dosbox, now we will see how to write a microprocessor 8086 program without going inside this dosbox, without going into the masm software itself. We'll be able to write the Microsoft assembly level program. What you have to do, you just need to right click, open a text document. Inside the text document, you go to the text document, type your program here. In this window you can type the program. Once the program is typed, then close it and then right click. You can rename this file as, it is a text file, right? You can rename this file as .asm. Okay, if it is an addition program, I have written addition program. In that case I can go with addition addition. Addition.asm. Okay, it will ask that if you are changing this, it may be unusable, but it will not go in. Just put it. So it is an ASM file. Okay, here it is, I have not written any program. but I have already written a program for addition and kept here. I have written a program and kept here for adding two 8-bit numbers. Okay, so that I have saved it add.asm. Now what I can do, I can just copy this add.asm, copy this, and then go to the C drive where you have kept the folder. Go to that C drive. What is the folder name? It is 8086. Go inside that 8086 and here you paste the program .add.asm. You can see here add.asm we have saved here, and then close this window. Now we have installed the dosbox, right? Now double click it, you will go to this black screen window. Correct. Now see, it is in Z drive. So what we will do, we have to mount mount C colon and a slash, such that this Z drive to be mounted to C drive has to be mounted. So mount C space C colon a slash, press enter. It will go with drive C is mounted as local directory C colon. Now in this, what you can do, again still it is in Z drive, you can change it to C drive just with a command C colon, enter. Now we can see the change here. From Z it has changed it to C. Now where is the program? Where is the program we have kept? Where are the files? In the 8086. Correct. So cd space 8086, changing the directory to 8086, enter. You will get C colon 8086. Correct. Now after this, we have already written a program with add.asm. We will execute that program. So masm space add.asm. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, one more enter. Okay, we'll get 3 files here. One more enter. You can see that there is no errors, there is no warnings. Okay, now our file is ready to link. So we're going to link it, link. What is the program name? add.obj, object linking. So obj, and then press enter. Okay, again 3 times enter. You will fetch all the libraries. Then now our program is ready to execute. So what is that command? We can go with add.exe. See, now what you have got? 5. What is this 5? What is this 5 here? 5 is the output for the program adding of 2 numbers. We will see what is the program now. Okay, we will see the program now. AD. Now we got the output as 5, correct? So we'll see what is the program. We have typed 1. For that we'll go with edit. Edit means we'll get the window. We can see the program now. We can write the program here only. Open. What is the program we have written? add.asm. Okay, so this is the program what we have written. You can see here we have taken 2 numbers. One is n1 is 01 of 8 bits. Second one n2 is 4. So what is 4 plus 1? It is 5. That is what we got in the output as 5. And then this is the data segment and this is code segment. We are moving the data to AX register, and then we are taking it in 2 registers, AL register and BL register, N1, N2. One simple command to add both, add AL, BL, and then moving it to a register for the output, and it will be stored in the int. Interrupt will interrupt the connection int. Okay, with that code will end start. Okay, you know the logic of the addition of 2 programs, correct? Now you have to see what is the logic it is going on. You can analyze and then write programs for addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions and all that we will be seeing in the other classes. Hope today you have understood how to install. See, now this the masm software and execute the program. Now if you want to come out of this window, see, it is now not coming out of the window, correct? If it is not coming out of the window, if you want to use some files in your desktop, just press Alt Tab. If you press Alt Tab, it will come out of the, your scroll will come out of the window. You can able to use it. Okay, you can you can use it, and then again you can go back and then you can execute. So once your program is done, then what you have to do, file, you can go with exit. This window you'll get. Once your program is completed and no errors, you got the output. Just type exit exit. Once you do put enter, it will completely exit and your program is completed. Hope you understood how to install the masm and the dosbox installer in your personal computers. Once you do this, you will be able to write n number of programs, execute. If there is any errors, you will be able to correct it and complete the task. Okay, thank you very much.